Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by importing CV2 and NumPy and loading a face detector, HAR Cascade or a DNN model. Once done, initialize CV2. Video capture for a webcam or CV2. ImRead for a file, make sure to check the returned frame is not none. Convert frames to grayscale for HAR detectors because the algorithm matches intensity patterns faster, while DNN expects BGR blobs with mean subtraction. Set a small resize, like width 640, to balance speed versus detection accuracy. This reduces processing time without losing faces. Now you run the detector on each frame. For HAR, call detect multiscale with scale factor 1. 1 in min neighbors 5, which refines false positives. For DNN, create CV2. DNN. Blob from image, feed it to net. Forward and keep boxes above a confidence threshold such as 0. 5. Once detections exist, translate model coordinates to image pixels, draw rectangles with CV2. Rectangle. And add labels with CV2. Put text. Also, use simple tracking if you want stable ID. Finish by saving annotated images or a video file, then release the camera and destroy windows to avoid resource locks. If speed is critical, once you verify correctness, downscale frames or run detection every NTH frame, and consider a GPU-enabled DNN or OpenVINO for faster results. If you see no faces, make sure the cascade or model file loaded, that frames are valid, and lower the confidence threshold slightly. Also check lighting and camera exposure, because poor contrast often prevents detection.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.